What can AI chatbots actually do? This is a beginner's guide starting with no code. But before you build your first AI chatbot, you need to understand how powerful and how simple this stuff really is now. Let's get started and I'll see you after the video.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. My name is Telly, and my mission is simple to make chatbots and AI agents accessible, practical, and beginner friendly. If you've ever wanted to build your own chatbot but thought it was too technical or advanced or required coding, my goal is to change that today. Section 1. What is an AI chatbot? The definition. A chatbot is an AI assistant that can understand text and respond intelligently. But today's chatbots are more than just simple conversational tools. They are virtual customer service reps, virtual assistants, research agents, study tutors, sales reps, and content creators. They also do automating tasks. They're not just about talking. A modern chatbot can learn from files, follow complex instructions, and perform tasks automatically. From being a booking assistant to a full scale lead generation machine, the utility is endless. The cost strategy. My goal would be to use free tools, making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. The challenge with free tools. As I stated earlier, my goal and my aim is to use free tools or free trials to test chatbots and their creation capabilities. However, from my experience, many tools marketed as free are not truly beginner friendly. If you know of any free tools that don't require a live website, a business, etc., please comment in the section below. The common barriers. Some free tools require prerequisites, such as already having a live website, a registered business, or your own files to upload just to get started. And some tools have hidden costs. One company wanted to charge a premium subscription just to get help from the help desk. And the verdict was, in my opinion, those tools with those types of hurdles are not truly beginner friendly. Tools for the foundation of this channel, I will be using ChatGPT, custom GPTs. There's no code, easy to customize, and perfect for the starting point of creation. I'll also explore Claude projects, great for document based bots and excellent for knowledge bases. And I'll be doing some prompt engineering. That's the secret skill to making every bot smarter and effective. And I'll also be using a visual builder such as VoiceFlow. A visual builder is great for structured workflows and lead gen bots. The winning method. Most people fail by trying to learn everything at once. Instead, follow this loop. Step one, learn one tool. Step two, build one simple bot. Step three, add one new skill. Step four, and repeat. Just a little note, I will be using different tools on this channel. So if you find a tool that you like and it's in your budget and it works for you and you get the outcome that you want, my recommendation would be to stick with that tool. But I want you to know that throughout my channel, I'll be using different tools as a generalist to help people who may be a little bit more advanced than other people watching this channel. What you'll be building in this series. First thing we're going to build is a personal productivity chatbot. And then we'll do lead generation bots, a resume analyzer bot, customer service bots, a personal study assistant, and ultimately, we should have a chatbot portfolio that we can sell or rent out to other people. Coming up next, build your first bot. In the very next video, we're building our very first chatbot, a custom GPT, in under 15 minutes. It'll be your first real AI tool, and it'll set the foundation for everything that comes after.
Wow! The question was, what can chatbots actually do? Actually, a lot. If you want to learn how to build chatbots, please hit like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss that next upload. Your first real chatbot is waiting in video 2. Let's go build it.